Welcome back, Hotelier. Chapter 6, Part 17. Breakfast Casserole. A perfect recipe to prepare for a weekend breakfast feast. Prepare time: 20 minutes. Cook time: 50 minutes. Servings: 12. Ingredients: 1 red bell pepper, cored and diced, 1.5 pounds of potatoes, diced into small cubes, half sweet potato and half Yukon Gold, 8 ounces of baby bella mushrooms, sliced, 1 white onion, peeled and diced, 1 pound, ground Italian sausage, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 15 eggs, whisked, 2 cups of kale, fresh and roughly chopped, stems discarded, 4 cloves garlic, minced, 2/3 cup of milk, 1/2 tablespoon of Old Bay seasoning to taste. Directions: 1. Prepare your oven and a baking pan. Warm the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Line baking sheet with some parchment paper, then set aside. Mist baking pan with cooking spray and set aside. 2. Roast your vegetables by spreading mushrooms, red bell pepper, onion, and potatoes over the prepared baking sheet. Drizzle evenly with oil and spice with some salt and pepper. Toss your veggies to coat them with oil and spices evenly. Place into the oven for 25 minutes, or until the potatoes are tender. Remove from oven and set aside. Add veggies to the prepared baking pan. 3. Brown the sausage by cooking in a pan over medium-high heat until browned. Add the garlic and kale to sausage as it is browning, and cook for an additional 2 minutes. Remove your pan from heat, then add the sausage to the prepared baking pan. 4. Whisk your eggs in a mixing bowl, blend milk, Old Bay seasoning and eggs with some extra salt and pepper. 5. Pour the whisked eggs over the mixed veggies and sausage in the baking pan. 6. Bake in prepared oven for 35 minutes, or until insert toothpick in the middle of casserole and it comes out clean. Once the casserole is cooked, remove it to a cooling rack for about 10 minutes. 7. Serve casserole warm, slice it up and enjoy. Thank you. If you enjoy watching my breakfast casserole recipe video, then do like and subscribe my channel. Also, do not forget to turn on the notification bell.